This is the auxiliary bag opening display table. When you feel the pressure value is a little low or a little high, you can adjust it through the left and the right setting keys. The blue key is set. You don't need to press it. Just adjust the pressure by the left and the right button. This one is the ceiling temperature controllers. We have two temperature controllers. Now we will show you how to adjust the temperature. You need to press the mode button firstly and depend on the temperature you want to set through 3 keys to adjust the temperature.